are looking for a place to have a coffee, damn it. We got a really late start today, but we got a really short day. We're only going 12 kilometers. And we just found a cafe. We're still in Burgos, and I'm gonna drink this cafe. Wow. Yes. I think this is a Knights Templar, maybe. I don't know. Who's this guy?
Good one. Now we need to clap.
We're leaving Burgos. It's, I don't know, 8 o'clock. I don't know, something late.
10 after 8.
10 after 8. And this is our latest start, but we got to relax. We got some coffee. Oh, look at this cool gazebo. Nice. I think we're gonna cut in over there and go towards the cathedral. They got some really nice statues here. Just beautiful. Here, let me show you these two. Actually, there's more. I'm going to show you these statues. Enrique III, El Doliente. He's cool. Juan Primero de las Helpas. But this guy, look at this guy. González Conde Independiente de Castilla. Castilla. Oh God, he's got a head under his foot. Okay. He's like, mm-hmm. Burgos is just lovely.
Yes, it is.
Very, very gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, this is our way to the Pilgrim's Path right through here.
Oh, we took a picture from this yesterday.
Yes, we did. See, so we're back on the path here.
Yeah.
So we're back. We've just found the Camino trail, but not a single arrow in sight. I had to use my Pilgrim app to find it. Oh, there's some pilgrims up there. Okay, we found the path.
Yeah, we find.
Still leaving Burgos. But isn't this pretty, guys? Walking for about an hour and just getting outside the city limits. Just on the border of the city, so some cities take quite a long time to traverse. Regarding that other matter, I'm happy to report that we all have cause to rejoice. I have successfully christened this forest. First time I had to go to the bathroom in 1,000 kilometers of doing the Camino, because I never went in the forest last time. But I don't know, kind of proud. This wonderful Pilgrim's Park, just in the middle of nowhere, there was this wonderful Pilgrim's Park. And Francine's gonna try her new shoes on. How do they feel?
Great. I feel
Okay.
yes, already.
Already,
Already.
her feet feel more restful. And I've, we straighten out our packs and we condense them. I put all the stuff hanging off of them back in, like scarves and morning jackets, and just feel good, you know.
I need more straight.
You know how your cat gets like the zoomies, or your dog gets the zoomies? They run around after they go poo in their cat box. Have your cat ever done that? I can relate to that feeling today.
It's a red one. Like this. No, we go there. Okay, not too far. Yeah. They go to water. Less mud. Moi, je vais défaire ma porte.
Oui, il est ronda comme ça. Pour le passer?
Oui, oui, oui.
Ronda comme ça.
Ok.
Là,
Ça. Oui.
trop bien.
C'est plus facile.
Pas essayé, non?
Non, du tout. J'ai rien laissé.
Là, c'est pas mieux?
Ah, ben oui, ça va mieux faire.
Là,
On peut peut-être l'enlever, peut-être, oui, ça va être plus facile.
là, vas-y, là.
Ok.
Non? Encore un peu?
Ah, peut-être un peu, oui. Parfait.
Better?
Better.
Well, it wasn't a very good Camino, buddy.
Yeah.
I let you suffer like that.
Yeah, ça c'est parfait comme ça.
Et oui,
Ouais.
j'ai traîné en bas.
Ouais, ben merci beaucoup.
Oh.
C'est ça le chemin. Oui, c'est ça le chemin, oui.
Voilà. Comment c'est ton prénom?
Moi c'est Francine, et vous?
Agnès.
Agnès.
Bon, ben voilà.
Enchantée,
Et
Agnès.
là, voilà.
Ça va être mieux.
It's the town of Tardajos here, and we're gonna have a break because our shoulders hurt, and we're just so thankful that we have like only 13 kilometers to do today. After this town, we have two more, and we're done. Right?
Supposed to?
Yeah, supposed to. Google hasn't always been forthcoming with its distances. I remember stopping here with Doreen 4 years ago. I tell you what, we didn't walk that far, but we're beat. And it might be the sun, it might be because we have extra weight on us.
No, era para verlo solo. Muchas gracias.
Take a few.